Alrighty, this is the summary of Chapter 5 of Lord of the Flies, and this reading isn't actually as eventful as the others. So right now, what has taken place is after Chapter 4, where the fire on the mountain goes out and a ship passes by, and Ralph calls for an assembly. So at this assembly, or this meeting, Ralph tries to reinstate the rules on the island, and he tries to convince that there are no monsters on the island. But Simon begins to say that the beasts are in the boys themselves. And I want you to take time to really try to figure out what Simon means by that. Jack rallies the boys and he ends up disrupting the assembly, so doesn't really go very far. This takes place in the same place on a remote island. Jack becomes more animal-like, and the boys are conflicting with each other a lot more, and the order on the island is falling apart. So this is a very simple video today, but you will be answering only one question for tonight, so I hope that homework is very easy, other than obviously completing the reading. We will continue with our project-based learning PBL driving question of how we can create an anti-bullying campaign that would be a positive impact to our school, along with redeeming these characters in Lord of the Flies. Thank you so much and have a great night.